G'day, it's Mick, RC Hobby Shed. It's going to be a two-part video, a two-part series, rebuilding or restoring a Kyosho Javelin. Let's go. Here everything's been disassembled and ready for cleaning. Now we're onto the soda blasting, trying to keep it an original factory look, you know, not too shiny, and remove some scratches and things. After soda blasting, I'm going to wash it down with soapy water. After the soda blasting, you want to give it a bit of a scrub up with just a little scourer pad. Trying to move in the same direction all the time so you don't get cross scratches. I'm only using light pressure, otherwise it'll start to polish the surface and I don't want that.